Current project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. Basically we've completed the frame for the transmission, so we have to increase the length of the chain so it'll go down to the sprocket and one-way bearing. None of this is tightened up, so but the the gears and the bearing blocks are all complete and installed. One problem may be, I was thinking to have the flywheel on the the highest output at the what is it, 1 to 6? Yeah, 6 to 1, so 1 to 6. Yeah, there we go. And then because the PMA only requires 150 RPM for the 50 watt output approximately, we would have the flywheel spinning at the highest RPM, and then have the PMA mounted somehow to a slower moving shaft. But I might have to go to a from the high output and do a reduction gear to get it down to 150 RPM. So that's a problem area. I'm not sure if that even makes sense to do something like that, but we'll see how it goes. So we should have it operational in the next couple of days. Again, not much to look at. I'm just posting the video to keep myself motivated. Basically, that's what it's going to look like. So we've got the chain drive beam, pendulum, and then we'll be mounting the. I'm not sure if I'm going with 2 coils or just 1 coil in the middle. I guess we can start with 1, and if that doesn't work, then we can add a second coil, 1 on each side. And then as far as weights go, I don't know. I guess we'll start out with 50 pounds and see if that'll produce enough torque, to keep the flywheel moving as the pendulum swings back and forth. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.